Today I wanted to introduce a warm or strip wax option that some of you may not be familiar with. At Outback Organics we have all of our strip waxes available in pot and spatula, which is the traditional way of using a strip wax or a warm wax, but we've also got our Cartridge roller system. So I'm going to show and demonstrate that for you today, just to open up another possibility that could be a little bit more time saving in your waxing service. Some of us that have been in the industry for a long time will be familiar with Cartridge roller system, how they were when they were first brought out, and all I can remember is that they were incredibly messy and sticky, and we could never get the last bits of wax out of the tube or the cartridge that we were working with. So it wasn't that efficient, not that effective. They're a lot different now. So all of our vegan strip waxes are available in pot and the cartridge system. Exactly the same wax, just a different way of distributing it. The benefits are also that we're not using any spatula, so you've got that cost which is reduced. And these are really very quick and easy to use. So with our setup here with the cartridge system, they're a universal cartridge, so they just fit very easily inside. Lid can go on and switch them on by the button on the side. You don't even have to adjust the temperature because they'll stay, and they will use the thermostat to keep the right temperature however full or low the cartridge is. The other benefit with these is the power point at the back, which the lead plugs into. If we just pop the front off, there's another little one here that you can piece together as many of the roller cartridges as you want to work with. So if you've got a full leg booked in after a full leg, you've got your two roller cartridge systems there and prepared. In the following video, I'm going to show you how quick it is to apply, how thin the application is on a leg. So you can see how this can be a very good time-saving tool for you to bring into your salon. For any further information on any of our waxes or products, you can visit the Outback Organics website. Okay, so in this demonstration, I will show you how quick and efficiently you can apply onto both legs at the same time. Remember, the Outback Organics waxes are not traditional beeswax, so they won't dry to the skin. So they are able to sit on the surface of the skin for quite a long period of time and still remove perfectly. So they go on quickly, smoothly, evenly, and that is the whole front of the legs covered, ready for removal. So you can see with the thinner application of the wax, you don't get any residue, and also you're able to use the same wax strip for the whole front of the leg. That's one leg done. That's been 2 wax strips used for the front of 2 legs.